Hello kids, how are you all? Do you know which season is going on right now? That's right, it's the rainy season. And so I know that all of you love getting wet in the rains and playing in the puddles and water, correct? But you also have to be careful, right? So today I'm going to show you how to make this umbrella craft. Okay, so we are going to do this rainy day activity with the umbrella, and then you're going to draw a small child here. So if you're a boy, you will draw a boy, and if you're a girl, you're going to draw a girl. So since I've already done the boy, when I show you how to make the umbrella, I'm going to draw a girl for you. Okay, so let's begin. So let's see what all we are going to need for this particular activity. We will need Fevicol. We will need color pencils, okay, whichever color that you like, and one regular pencil for drawing the girl. I'm going to have one small white paper, okay, to stick the umbrella, and I'm going to have a 6 by 6 inch square paper. Okay, this is a craft paper which you all have in the folders. Alright, so should we begin? Okay, now for the umbrella, okay, we are going to do a fan fold for the umbrella. So how do we begin? Let's see. First you take the paper. Can you see this edge? Okay, we are going to fold this edge towards you, okay, forward. So I'm going to, this is the, I'm teaching you the fan fold. Okay, so what have I done? I have taken this paper and I have folded it inside. Now I'm going to turn my paper and fold it on the other side. Okay, then again I will turn the paper and I will keep doing this fold, one this side and one on the other side, okay, till the end of the paper. So can you see you're getting this kind of a fold here? Okay, so let's keep doing this, one towards you and one away from you. Okay, one towards you, turn the paper, one away from you. Now the last one and one towards you. So we have a thin strip like this. This is called a fan fold because if you hold it like this, it opens up like a fan. Okay, we don't want the fan, so we are going to press it. Okay, so I have this strip of this fold. Now what am I going to do is, I'm going to press here and fold it into half. Okay, I'm going to press the strip into half. Can you see? Okay, and on this edge I am going to put my Fevicol and stick it. So I put Fevicol here and I stick the fan like this. Okay, press it nicely and firmly. So can you see this? Looks like a fan, isn't it? That's why it's called a fan fold. Okay, now we have this. Let's keep this aside and bring in our white paper. So this is the white paper that we have. We have to stick this umbrella on the paper, but let's see how we are going to do it. I'm going to open this completely like this. Okay, and you can see these two edges, 1 and 2. I'm going to put Fevicol here and on this edge. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put Fevicol here on this edge and I'm going to put Fevicol on the other edge. Okay, and the similar way I'm going to put it here as well, and just take roughly the center of the sheet, press one edge here and press the other edge on the other side. Got it? just press it firmly so that it sticks properly. Okay. Yes. Okay, can you see? We've created an umbrella. Yes, with a fan fold. Okay. Now let's draw the girl who is going to hold the umbrella. So before we draw the girl, we have to draw the handle of the umbrella. Okay, so I'm going to draw the handle of the umbrella here like this. Okay, and then what we are going to do is, okay, so my umbrella is ready. I have drawn the handle and I have drawn an edge here. Now let's draw the girl. So the girl is holding the umbrella. Let's draw her face first. So the girl is going to stand here. So roughly here I'm going to draw a circle. Okay. So I draw the face. Let's draw the hair. Okay. Let's tie 2 ponytails for her. Okay. We'll draw the ears. We'll draw a nice smiling face, so eyes and a big smile. The girl is enjoying in the rain, so she is happy. Draw the frock, and from here she is holding the umbrella with one hand. Okay, so this is the other hand. Let's draw a flower on her frock. Okay. And let's draw her feet. Okay, so since it is a rainy season, we see that there are many puddles around, correct? So let's draw 2-3 puddles here. And since she's dancing, we can see that some part of the water is getting sprinkled up here. Okay, she's splashing and enjoying in the puddles. So now that the girl is ready, I'm going to outline it using a sketch pen. Okay, so can you see I have outlined the pencil drawing, and now the girl is ready with the umbrella. So let's color the girl. Before that, on top of this umbrella, you will see there is this blank space. Yes, we are going to draw raindrops here. Okay, because it's raining, we have to draw raindrops falling on the umbrella. So with a blue pencil or with a blue crayon, you can draw the raindrops like this. Okay, then let's turn and color the girl. So let me color her hair black. Okay, I'm going to color her frock pink color. Very slowly you have to color so that you don't go beyond the black lines. Okay. So I'm not going to do the flower. I'm only going to do the frock in pink color. Okay. Let's do her shoes pink. Okay. And the little tiny bows that she's put here. Okay. And I'm going to color the water again in blue color. The puddles that we have drawn here, I'm going to color them in blue color again. And the water splashing, so droplets here. Okay, let's color her flower in orange color. Okay, and we forgot to draw the handle. We forgot to color the handle, so let's color the handle of the umbrella. Okay, and the little bit here So the girl carrying the umbrella is ready. Yes? So children, will you do this activity at home? So we have a girl and we have a boy playing in the puddles in the rainy season. Yes? Okay. So do this activity, use the fan fold, do the umbrellas, do the drawings and enjoy yourselves. Happy monsoon everybody and do take care.